found that many of our website visitors have had problems getting a replacement part or even a repair done for their Hampton Bay items. So we've made this video to help you, show you step by step. We give you 3 options, so watch the video through because there's 3 options, 3 ways you can get your repair done or your replacement part for your Hampton Bay item. And we show you exactly what to do. Please check out our other videos where we actually make the phone calls that we talk about on this video. So you can hear live us making the phone call and talking to each operator in each place we talk about, and showing you step by step again how to get the replacement part. So, or repair done. The first option is to go directly to the Hampton Bay website. Now, HamptonBay.com actually will redirect you to Home Depot website. So Home Depot is probably the first place you want to go to, and their website in particular will give you a certain idea of what sort of replacement parts they have. So we'll show you how to do that first.
So for option 1, the Home Depot website, the first thing we can do is type in HamptonBay.com. You'll notice that it redirects to HomeDepot.com, and that it takes you to the Hampton Bay section where you'll find categories from patio furniture to ceiling fans to lighting, kitchen cabinets and so on. But what we want to do is we want to do a search on, say, Hampton Bay in the search box here. Hampton Bay, say, replacement. So we type that in, Hampton Bay replacement. You'll see sections come up like cushions, netting, canopy for gazebo. We'll just do replacement at the moment. We click on that, and you'll see there's 142 results. So roughly there are 142 replacement parts on the Home Depot website, and you can see they go from cushions to batteries to the ceiling light mounts. There are ceiling fan parts like blades and things, but anyway, that's the first thing you can do, but there's quite a few to scroll through, so it's best to be as specific as you can be. So let's say we'll do ceiling fan. This will give us replacement parts for ceiling fans. You see we've got blades there. We've got all these blades have come up. We've got 6 for ceiling fan. The more accurate you can be, for example, the part name, the ceiling fan name, for example, if it's a Winwood 3 or Reddington 4, putting as much as you can information in there, descriptive as you can, will help you fine tune it and get to the part that you want. But you'll find that more than likely the replacement part may not be there. So that's the first option I'd suggest going to, looking on the website HomeDepot.com or HamptonBay.com, which redirects you to HomeDepot.com to the Hampton Bay section, and then just type in the Hampton Bay replacement using the search field part, and make sure you are specific with the part you want, the model, name, the blade, the specific part like a blade, and then you'll get a list of items. You might find it there. If you do, you can order online, or alternatively you can walk into your local Home Depot store and just go to the parts department and just ask there. That's option 1.
Option number 2. This is where you call Home Depot, and the number to call is 1877 527 0313. Now make sure you have your model or UPC number ready. By the way, too, this video, we actually go through this process on our other videos. So we actually make the call. So we make the calls. Check our other videos out, and you'll see us actually making the call. You better see all the options and hear all the options and the lists as we make that call. So the option that you select first is number 4. You're given a list of brands, and number 4 is the Hampton product option. So Select option 4 when you make the call. Then you're given a list of 6 other options after that. And then depending on what Hampton Bay item you have, you select the option. For example, option 1 is for Hampton Bay ceiling fans. Option 2 is for the patio furniture or patio items. Option 3 is for lighting. Option 4, fireplaces. Then option 5, and then option 6 is all other brands, all other products for Hampton Bay. And once you've done that, you've selected what option you want there, you're given then a list of another 3 options. Option number 1 is if you have a 12-digit UPC number, receipt or instruction manual, and you purchased your item within 2 years. Now, to find the UPC number, you'll find, for example, say ceiling fans, it's on the silver sticker on top of the ceiling fan motor housing. Okay, so if you find it hard to see, then they suggest you use a mirror or use your cell phone and take a picture if you can do that to get that number. Now, if you can't locate the number, then you choose option number 2. If you can't locate that number or any info on the model name or number, and if you purchased the fan also within the last 2 years, then it's option 2. Or you've got the final option, option 3, and that's if you cannot locate the UPC number and you purchased the fan more than 2 years ago. Number 3 is to call a place called e-ceiling fan. So e-ceiling fans actually do repairs and maintenance and replacement parts for ceiling fans, including Hampton Bay, and they also provide a lot of options like glass for you. And again, we check our video, we actually make the call, show you the number and show you what to do step by step. So please subscribe and share this video so others can benefit from the information. I'm sure there's a lot of others that are having problems finding replacement parts or even repairs, places where they can get repairs done on their Hampton Bay item. So please share it.